Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. It's good to have you all back here, and welcome to a new video and a very important update on Bitcoin. I might even call it an emergency update again, but there's a lot we need to talk about. Just to sum it up, first of all, yesterday we actually rejected from the level we were talking about between 29,550 and 29,700, which breaking above that was our last chance to actually turn bullish. Apart from that, we have the PCE price index today, which is sort of an inflation rate number. That's important. And it's the end of the month. End of the month is always, and end of the week as well, they coincide a little, is always very, very volatile. All right, you get a lot of institutions and market makers closing their positions. And that could spur huge movements. I mean, just look back at right here. Like this was not the end of the month actually, but it's also a Friday, and this whole move, for example, started on the Friday. So we're going to get volatility. In this video, I'll tell you which way I expect that volatility to go. But before that, I do want to quickly bring your attention to GRAPE, a new project that has actually already launched. I made a full video on that yesterday if you want to check that out. But has launched. Great project, I think. There's a link down in the description. Right now, live on Bitmart, has already rallied quite a bit since listing. And the best thing is, you can actually still buy this for $48 via the link down in the description. All right, so that's a significant discount. You will not be able to sell for 4 months. All right, that's the catch. But like I said, it is a project with real long-term potential as well. So check it out via the link down in the description. But now onto Bitcoin. So purely technically, to start off with that, because that is the easiest, you can see that we started some sort of a bearish structure right here, right? And that was confirmed / validated when we broke down below 29,700. Now, after the interest rate decision and stuff, we had a bit of bullish momentum, and we tried to test that structure, which we did, and it held up the bearish structure. Right now, you can actually see quite a lot of bearish momentum as well. Altogether, does this matter that much? I do think so, but it doesn't matter that much as you think, if that makes any sense, right? Because the biggest thing just is that, first of all, we have the PCE price index, where if this is lower than expected, that's great, that's bullish. If it's higher than expected, that's bearish overall for Bitcoin. But I would say that even that doesn't matter that much. Like, even if the PCE price index is lower than expected, which is the expectation, right? I mean, inflation rate is dropping down, and overall it looks like it's dropping down. It definitely does look like it's dropping down quicker than expected. But then, like, if today is a day where market makers and institutions would sell their crypto, which I think is the most likely scenario, especially after such a huge move, like, it's great to have a move like this, but I mean, you can bet on it that a lot of market makers and huge traders bought in here. At some point of time, they're going to sell, all right? They probably already started selling up here, probably also sold down here. So it's more likely to continue that behavior and that we will actually see another sell-off. So even if the PCE price index is lower than expected, that would be bullish. But the only thing that does is it draws in retail traders like us. We see the news and we think, oh, that's bullish, we're going to buy in, which creates more liquidity for them to sell at a good price. So overall, I don't actually think that the news matters that much. I think it's just about the institutions and their behavior. And at this point of time, given my experience with moves like these, I think it's more likely to see at least another sell-off down to 28,400. From there, I do expect support. I don't expect a huge crash down to our next support level, 27,500, even though that is a possibility more on the long term. But that's what I expect. That's also why I expect it. Is there also a chance that we'll actually become very, very bullish today? Yes. All right. I do want to end with yes, that possibility is there. Overall, Friday and the end of the month is just very, very volatile. So there is definitely a possibility that we are able to break above 29,700. If we do so, I was 100% wrong, and then we can actually rally quite a bit. But given all of the circumstances, like I said, I don't think that's the most likely scenario. But that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.